one of the collaboration series. Today we will learn Wampserver. As you know that I will speak a bit less so that most of you people understand. Secondly, I try to speak very slowly so that different community and different language people will understand. Always, I try to use simple word, and of course, as I said before, every accent in the word is somewhere hard for other people to understand. So in simple way, I will use more actions rather than speaking, and will let you know what is more important. Later on, I will just translate this video for other language as well. Let's begin. Of course, probably using Chrome. Before going Chrome, let's type Wamp. The first paragraph or first sentence, you can click Wampserver. Of course, I do not need to speak. You can see my action, just let you know what I'm trying to do. Before continue, I always tell you some tips and advices. You can click here on three dots, go down, where is setting? Click setting, then click on appearance. When I see somebody's computer, I don't see home button. Usually by default, it's not there. So let me highlight what I try to tell you. This is show home button. This appears here. If you don't see here, then come back. You must click here. Now you see here home button. Let me show you again. This disappear. Second thing, go down, click on download. Before downloading, by default, it will just download folder. But I want always ask me where to download. Click close. Now when you go in this website, you have a download button, but before going down, if you can click here down, of course it will ask you informations. Rather than not filling information, you can click SourceForge. And if you click here, it will give you history, the previous version. You can download any previous version, but I would like to download the latest version. As soon as you click on latest, you see a circle pop up. Okay, it will ask you where to download. So choose your folder so you can remember. So I try to download on download folder. Obviously, I try to click save. So here is if you can see the progress of download. Let's click on download folder. It's just downloading right now, and let's wait. You can see the progress here. After downloading, as usual, double click. Once the warning comes, click yes. Language which you like. Of course, there's two language. English. Okay. I accept agreement. Next. Click next. So as soon you click next, there's a warnings informations come and it asks you to cancel. So instead of cancel, you can do, because technically it's saying that these Visual C++ is not installed. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 6 C++ visuals is not installed. So zoom out. So you can go to that website. We have here a link. This is the package link. Let me zoom out. This is the one. Within this, frame, you can click here, go down. This is the package we have to install. But wait, we have to see which one we have to install. So I click next. Let me put on this side. So here you go. Let me zoom in. So it's quite confusing. I have, instead of using, you have to remember two words, 2010 and x86. So this is 86 and this is 64 bits. So what we do, so 2010 and you see here and you see here, it's matching. What's the next one? 2012, but under 86-bit. 2010, 12, 86-bit. 2013. So it's 86-bit, this one. And then finally in 86 is, again, it's confusing, 2015 or 22. So just remember 2022. This one is exactly the same. On other side, we have 64-bit. You can click here, Server Pack 1, SP1 package, this one, 2012. So matching this, let me zoom in, right? And then the second one is 2022, this one. So what we have to do, we have to cancel this. So sorry, you have to forget 2012. I have to package 2.1, SP1, and then these two. So now click here, of course, save as in the same folder. Then we have to click second one, save as, then third one. What I do, I always close window so that computer can install freely. We can start step by step installing. It's exactly the same procedure. It exit. Click yes. Sometimes you have to scroll down in order to activate this. Second one, I would not like to click here for free information. Just the one agreement, install. I will do restart later. Normally I close everything. To restart, click. Now I personally restart right now. Let's install. Obviously, double click. You can say no or yes. Microsoft Edge, you can say yes or no. For example, you can put Notepad. If you want to click it, we can edit the file. So instead of doing, I can do desktop. I can use a Visual Studio. Now it's finally done. And finish. And close everything. And it usually works here. You can double click. And then you can see over here. And also somewhere here. These. Then The back you can see, technically it's here. Also times you have issue, or not so much, but PHP file. So technically PHP file is here and within this. So for example, I can take, this is the file. You can edit. And when you do website, you have to, in this folder, you have to, this is empty, you can make a new folder. So for example, I can say my web, whatever you want to give a name, myweb.com. So that's, and you have to open a text document. So you can save as same folder, just write index HTML, some same files, save. So now what you do, and here, just double click, and first it's right here, like this connecting, it's become yellow, and when it becomes green, so now it's connected. And double click, sorry. So here is ready. You can click localhost, it's already coming, and because what folder you give your name, type here myweb.com. See what the first page, what we wrote, that's what can come here. So you can click here. Here is more setting. If you want to go for the database, you can click here. Username root and password empty. Technically, you play around, you will understand. The good thing about this Wamp, you can choose the version of PHP or MySQL or anything, whatever you want. You can choose the services. You can stop, you can restart, and of course it's over here too. And then I think so that's much today. Thank you very much.